Ladies and gentlemen, I am a software engineer. This is an action RPG top-down training game project. The most I will focus on programming the gameplay, and this time I would like to present you a simple quest system. So we can create mage and paladin. Let's start with mage. So the game starts in a small village located on a hill. Each character has a few known skills and starts with basic equipment. In this case, mage has a wand, and he can use fireball, firewall, blizzard, frost nova, and teleport, something like blink. Okay, if you will look at normal attack, then you will see damage with no and with the weapon. Okay, the quest log. The quest log has two quests. The first is in the cemetery and the second in the jungle. To finish them, you need just to kill the monsters. So let's go for the first quest. Which way? The cemetery is there. Let the first combat will be with no weapon, okay? No loot. We need a fireball and more mana. Fireball doesn't need the target. For mage, firewall, let's stack them. Time for blizzard. Looks like we are near the quest. Let's sell it. we need oh, froze Nova. Let's save the game to make sure the character will load the state of the quest, okay? It's okay. We need a teleport. Very useful. And this monster is for the quest. This. Let's look at gold and state of experience bar. And shot. It's okay. The quest has been complete. Let's try to kill him again, having the finished quest. Okay. And nothing. Okay, now I'm gonna create a paladin to present you the second quest. Okay, paladin has a sword and a shield. Sorry. He can use might, Blessed Armor, Blessed Shield, Zeal, and Fist of Heavens. Okay, let's go for this second quest. This time we need to go there. There is the jungle. A better sword. We need zeal. And more mana potions. We are near the quest. Fist of Heavens. More mana, more mana. Blessed Shield. Yeah. Blessed Armor. Might. Very useful. More damage. We need to go blacksmith. I prefer this sword. It's better. And the monster is here. This is this monster. Are you ready? The quest has been complete. Alright, let's check states of quests for each characters, okay? Okay, Fredin first. It's okay. And now mage. It's okay. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.